Today we're gonna see how to use Tremendous Virtual Visa Card. Shortly after receiving the Visa card, check your inbox for an email from Tremendous. Click on the redemption link in the email. Once you click it, you'll be directed to a page displaying your Visa card details including card number, expiration date, and CVV. When checking out online, enter the card details as you would with a regular credit or debit card. Billing address: there is no default billing address associated with the card, you just can enter your own address when required. No foreign transaction fees, and the balance is in USD. The current exchange rate applies if you purchase in another currency. Keep track of your available balance on the redemption page or in your purchase receipts, and be aware of any expiration dates to ensure to use the full amount before it expires. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.